Among our strategy on what content to put out first, let's leverage these difficulty and volume numbers to decide which block should go out first. Before we go there, let's revisit what this difficulty and keyword volume mean. So by difficulty, what it means is how difficult it is for you to rank on Google for this particular keyword. It's a scale of 0 to 100. So 100 is the most difficult one and 0 is the least. So this number is 36. So that just means that indoor sunroom furniture is a keyword which is not very competitive. Not a lot of people are writing on it. So if you go on and write on it, you have a high chance of ranking on page number one. And volume here is how many people search for this keyword in the past month. Both of these numbers relate to US. That is, how difficult is indoor sunroom furniture to rank on in page number one in the US, and volume is how many people in the US search for this particular keyword. Now, as a new website, what happens often is if you start writing on a keyword which is 90 or above, you'll most likely end up on Google's page number 10. That's a wasted effort. So what we can do is we can first leverage the easier keywords, start ranking on those, and then move on to harder keywords. What will happen is once we start ranking on the easier keywords, Google will start trusting us that, okay, this website is knows what they're talking about, and your domain authority will slightly lift up. And when you do end up writing on a more competitive one, you'll have a much higher chance of ranking on Google. So what you can do is you can use these buttons here to sort these topics based upon the difficulty. You can also sort the topics based upon volume. So what I did here is I just sorted them on volume with highest volume keyword first. And then I'll just go down and see that which one is easy. So like 52, 53 is also pretty, not very hard. And the volume is pretty good. The numbers, the way you can look upon them is, for example, in the US, if a volume is 500 or 1000 or above, that's pretty decent volume. So 33,000 is pretty good volume. For the keyword difficulty, don't be afraid to write on any keyword which has a difficulty level 85 or less. Um, and this entire strategy about writing easier keywords first and then moving on to harder ones, don't follow it very strictly as well. If you think home decor is something you should absolutely write on, but the difficulty is 85 or maybe 90 or 100, go ahead, write on it. This is just a general strategy that you should follow as a rule of thumb. But SEO is all about testing out different things. So go ahead, run your experiments, write on that topic if you'd like. So here, the ultimate motive is to find out keywords which are fairly easy and are, having a decent volume. So you can just scroll down up till the point that you reach a keyword difficulty that you're comfortable writing on, and then you can pick a one with juicy volume and then just pick that topic.